Hey there, this is your science teacher Miss Rija, and today we will learn food and a balanced diet. The subtopic is food groups. Food can be divided into groups according what they do for the body. These groups are carbohydrates, dietary fiber, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Different foods can contain a number of these things that a body needs. For example, many vegetables contain vitamins and minerals, and dietary fiber and cheese is a good source of proteins, calcium and fats. Here is some more information about what carbohydrates, dietary fiber, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals do for the body, and examples of foods that contain them. Carbohydrates. These are the main energy-giving foods. If you are working or running about a lot, you need carbohydrates to give you energy. Well, too little make you tired, too much make you fat. Carbohydrates are the major source of quick energy for us. In fact, food in this group also contain fiber, which helps with digestion. Dietary fiber. Dietary fiber is a part of food you cannot digest. It has no food value but helps to move the waste through the digestive system. Let's talk about the proteins. These gives you energy and are bodybuilding food that make us grow. They help our body to build up and repair tissues and muscles. Fats. Well, fat gives us energy and help to keep the body warm. Though it is important to have some amount of food group in our diet, so much of these foods can make us fat. Healthy fats are less processed fats.